Hey everyone, how's it going? This is Rob, and due to multiple requests, I'm back with another Magic John video. This is a follow-up to the original video I made late November 2023. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the screen protector is held up over the months on the phone I carry with me every single day. I'm then going to attempt to further damage that screen protector, and then I'm going to pull it off, bend it until it cracks, put another one on, and then quickly run through those same durability tests that I just did on the old one. With that said, after reviewing the footage, I noticed that the camera didn't really pick things up on the surface of the screen protector the way I hoped it would, so I do apologize for that, but it should be good enough for you to at least get the basic idea of the condition before and of course after I attempt to scratch it up. So, alright, with that out of the way, let's get to it. So right off the bat, you're probably going to notice this at the top. This started, I'd say probably 2 to 3 weeks ago. This is probably the main thing that caught my attention. But yeah, with that being said, I mean, this is what it looks like after 8 months of normal everyday use. I just want to wipe it off one more time so that way you can see, that is, if the camera is able to pick it up, just to see how the surface of it looks. So if you want to zoom in on this really quick, I don't know if it's going to be able to pick it up, but there are some, actually, let's go over here in the sun. I mean, there's definitely some micro scratches on there. At this point, I'm going to move on to doing some simple durability tests. Next, I'm going to use the Legend of Zelda pocket knife. Okay, I thought it was going to leave a huge gouge in it, but it's not. But that's the thing. I mean, if it's not like scratching it up at all or like super bad, at that point it doesn't matter. I mean, we don't need to, I mean, because what's the next step? We take a hand grenade or something and throw it at the phone and see, you know, how the screen protector holds up. I'm going to peel it off. Now, should I do it like the Magic John guy? Where he's like, I'm not going to do it like that.
Do it in front of the refrigerator so people can see it.
All right, you ready?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, did you see that? Actually cracked pretty easy. I'm just going to go over this with all the stuff, keys, knife, pen, serrated knife, and pocket knife. And here's how we're looking after all of that. Now, oh, there are some, there's a few little scratches. They're very hard to, it's hard to tell. You have to get it in the perfect light, but there's one. Actually, that's not a scratch, it's just a mark. Rubs off. I think it's a good screen protector. You know, you guys can make up your own minds though. If you don't want it, don't buy it. Let me peel this one off. Do the bend test again. Yeah, I will say I think the in the Magic John ads, I think it's a little bit over exaggerated. Oh, maybe that one, the first one cracked so easy. Okay, there we go. So, but it doesn't matter. I honestly don't know why they do that in the videos, because it shouldn't really matter how much force it takes to crack a screen protector. If you drop your phone, you want the screen protector to crack, so that way the energy isn't absorbed into the actual phone screen itself. So, and I think that's what I really like about the Magic John, is the fact that it is so easy to replace. So if you do drop your phone, screen protector cracks, or you do get, you eventually end up with micro scratches and stuff on it from it being in your pocket and stuff over time. It's going to happen. But if you get sick and tired of looking at it, and then like I showed at the beginning of the video with that the thing at the top where the adhesion started to wear off, that bubble, you just, slap another one on, take it off, slap another one on, and you're good to go for, for however long. So, but I guess that's basically it. Get the Magic John if you want the Magic John. If you want to buy something else, I don't care, but there's your durability test. I'm out of here. So I actually recorded the video that you just watched on August 1st, 2024. It is now November 12th, 2024, roughly 3.5 months later. I've just been super busy and tied up with a bunch of things, but hey, that means that I've had my replacement Magic John screen protector on my phone for about 3.5 months, as well as I've replaced my girlfriend's screen protector with a Magic John as well, and I put that on there roughly 2.5 months ago or so, something like that. So I thought I'd include a bit of bonus footage to show what both screen protectors look like after a few months of everyday use, as well as take an extra Magic John I have lying around and perform a few extra durability tests. So without further ado, here's the bonus footage. There's that one. Here is my girlfriend's iPhone 10s, XS, whatever you want to call it, Max. And this, according to the Amazon order, it was delivered September 5th. I'm assuming I put it on the same day, so I'll go with that. She's not as careful with her phone as I am. Drops it a lot, etc. So there's definitely some micro scratches and stuff. There's no lifting, no cracks or anything like that, but there's definitely some micro scratches. So here we go. Here's the two phones. Got August 1st, 2024, September 5th, 2024 right here. Now, with that being said, I am going to, since it is cost prohibitive to be drilling away at phones that we actually own. I don't have a bunch of phones to do tests on. Nor do I have another screen protector to put on my phone. I guess I do have another one to put on hers. The easiest thing to do would be to just take this thing out of the case, slap it on a cutting board or something, and just so that way I can give you guys some more durability tests here, if I can get it out of here. I'm going to slap it on this cutting board right here. So here we have Magic John screen protector for an iPhone XS or 10s Max, and we're going to do some tests. So first I'm going to start with the drill. I'm going to use a wire wheel. There we go. You can kind of see it right there. Right there. It's not horrible though. You know what? Let me just put this on top of your phone. Maybe that'll help. Oh yeah, definitely. All right. Last but not least. Let's take it. Might not be last, I guess. I'll use a drill bit. Oh, that did some damage. It's really hard to tell no matter what I do. Let me just try to hold it like this so it doesn't start trying to stick to that, but is that damage from that? It looks like it. On. I might not even upload this at this point. Because it sucks. Alright, now, last but not least, I'm going to use a drill bit. I was saying drill bit before, I meant, like a Phillips head. I'm going to use a drill bit. We'll go with the 3/16.
Jesus.
Oh, there you go, folks. There you go. All right, anyways, I don't know. There you have it. I tried to do as much as I could. I know the camera angles weren't the greatest. There's probably a couple things I could have possibly done better. Buy the Magic John if you want to get the Magic John. Buy something else if you want something else. It's up to you. So, anyways, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. That was horrible. The fucking whole thing was sucky. And now I don't have any... See this? Magic John screen protector. I'm gonna need a favor. I need your paw. I'm gonna need you to scratch this up for me. Alright, can I use your paw? I know, you're tired. Alright. Alright. Thank you for your service. I appreciate it. Alright, you can go back to sleep now. Thank you.